Sammy loved his mammy, she hammy that damage.
Just stop that goddamn feedback!
Do you want to hear the song I wrote last night? It's just a very short one.
It's lovely.
A guitar fell over, Paul, a guitar fell over.
Okay, do it from the beginning.
I'm in love with my car.
It's a little bit funny, but then again, no.
Or
Maybe it'd be better just do it straight, first of all.
okay.
Just to do everything just really mechanical, and then we can sort of get it all good after that. One of us play bass, George, play bass.
You need early clap.
No, you don't. You need like
You need George Harrison.
just doing simple things until it's your go. Corny's all right in this one, because what he's doing is corny. Can you just stop playing for a minute, John?
Yes, all right.
I'm trying to talk about this arrangement. Thank you.
I'm leaving the band now.
When?
Now.
If he doesn't come back by Tuesday, we get clapped and
We are going to pretend we didn't hear that.
If you'll say yes, and if we get it together, then will you go?
we just mull it over tonight. It's just
Don't tell me no.
No.
we're just pretending nothing's happened.